Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Dynokids. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. So in today's video we are going to introduce pattern formation to kids using color recognition. So for this I have drawn some rectangular boxes here and then colored them differently. I have chosen these colors as per the colored blocks available at our home, so you can choose accordingly. This is a very easy DIY activity which you can easily perform at home, as everything you need for this is mostly available at our home. So for this activity, child should match the blocks with the colors in the sheet. For example, blue, then yellow and green, and same way the child has to match the rest ones. So once child has done this, then by one above the other method, child should make a pattern. For example, above blue, then above yellow, then above green, above purple, and in the last above red. And so like this, child makes a pattern formation. So kids really enjoy this activity as this is a fun learning for them. And if you want, then you can do this by preparing new sheet every day, or you can prepare some flashcards. So as you could see here, I have also prepared some flashcards here and then bind them with a ring. So once child has used the pattern on the sheet, then you can introduce these flashcards to him. I have changed pattern each time, as you could see, and this flashcards are very easy to make. I have prepared them at home and secured them with a transparent tape, so you don't have to rush for the lamination each time. So you can use these flashcards multiple times with your child without spoiling. And if you have two kids, then again it's very useful to reuse them. So like this, you can make your child learn sequence or a pattern formation. Now it's time to check Amish doing this activity. So let's sketch him out how he's doing this one. Colors on the side of the paper. Which color is this? Red. Okay. The next color in the symmetry is? Purple. Okay. The next color in the pattern is? Green. Very good. Next color is? Yellow. Okay. And the last color is? Yeah. Blue. Okay. Is this blue? No. Okay, that's nice. Now can you make a big tower out of these colors in the same pattern?
This is the big tower?
Yeah, this is a big tower. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.